Dear God, lately I've been witnessing a lot of things I can't believe I'm seeing. This world is slowly falling apart, and it's starting to take a toll on my heart. Dear God, where did all this hate come from? Still can't believe this is where we are. Why can't we all just get along? Maybe it's time you sent back your son to show us how to love again, how to love again. I've been praying every night for all the world to just be nice. Treat one another as we treat ourselves. God, if you're listening, please send help. Dear God, what are we supposed to do when kids shooting kids is all over the news? Most of us can't watch our TVs 'cause we're too afraid of what we might see. Dear God, help us see the light. Give us hope, teach us wrong from right, so we don't have to hear their screams, and we can all just live in peace. Please show us how to love again, how to love again. I've been praying